Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and thank you all so very much for coming back for another real life cleaning video. So today I am collaborating with 3 other mamas here on YouTube. Their YouTube names are K Renee, Simply Me Tay, and Designs with Jenna. The links to their channels are below in the descriptions, but we were all decluttering and organizing a part of our home. I chose to do my small pantry. If you guys are coming over for one of their channels, welcome. I hope you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up and to hit that subscribe button. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So these are the containers that I will be using. These are by OXO, and some of them I got from TJ Maxx and also Ross, but the majority of these are OXO. To start off, I'm just going to go ahead and empty my pantry and set everything onto my table.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does or say. I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like.
So this part right here became a little vexatious because I kept putting items in 2 containers and then switching them out because they didn't fit properly. The only thing I did not switch out was this cereal, but yeah, you guys, I became so annoyed with having to switch the containers out after I put everything in one container.
I am on my way up, I won't slow down. To be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down, cause I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way I won't slow down.
So right here I'm just showing you guys how I cut off the cooking instructions and also the expiration date and just put them on the back of each container. So I thought about using my label maker, but I chose to not use it because I didn't want to waste my tape just in case I use this container or the other containers for something else.
Believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you can be my fame. Don't need a fast car to imagine.
Right here, I'm just going through all of the stuff that I place on the floor of my pantry. I thought I was going to use this can holder or dispenser for my canned goods, and then I realized that it's for soda cans and not canned goods. So I put everything right back into this white container.
Like all the bling you see, I'll show you my little smoother side. And when we are out cruising, you don't need my hand to hold. I kinda like what we're doing, how this story will unfold. If you wanna join, I am open for business. I can be your gun, baby, and you will be the trigger. Let's put up a show that we'll never forget. And yeah, baby, there's no shame. We'll take it as far as we want to, so listen. Stop at any place that is better than prison. Put it all on me.
Right here, I'm just putting these granola bars inside of this container. I do realize a little while later that I am blocking the camera, but I do eventually move out of the way, you guys.
If you don't like all the bling you see, I'll show you my little smoother side.
Now I'm just putting things back into the pantry. I do move things around a lot to see where I want to put them, but yeah, it turns out the way I wanted it to turn out. I feel like if I have like a bigger pantry, this would look a whole lot better, but being that it's so small and cluttered, it came out okay, but not like Pinterest worthy.
Me and you and our bodies. Hurry up and let's not waste no time. Cause I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging. And you could be my fame. Yeah, you could be my fame.
So now that you guys are finished watching my video, go ahead and head on over to one of the other mamas channels and let them know that I sent you. If you did come from one of their channels, let me know in the comments below. But I do want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.
Drop.